You already know what it is. We're headed to work. I'm going to be brief because A, I don't have that much to talk about. B, I'm having to record this on my phone since I realized that my SD card is at my crib. So you can't record if you don't have an SD card in your camera. And now we're slamming on brakes this morning. Great. So anyway, yeah, I just want to say hey, kicking off week 2 of Vlogmas, which I sometimes call Vlogist, not the same thing. Sorry about last night for any of you guys who basically what had happened was I uploaded my video because I try to get it up before 9-ish, 9:30 the latest, and the video was up, but I had it listed as unlisted. And then something was like, you need to check out your YouTube. And I did, and I was like, oh shit, bitch, this video is not public. So I made it public a little later than what I would have preferred, but it's fine, it's up, and that's all that matters. So it's gloomy and dark out. I'm tired per usual. I didn't sleep as bad as I thought I would considering I took a nap yesterday, but still, I'm always tired. All right, so we're gonna head on to work. I hope y'all have a good day. And oh, just really quick for anybody who is just a random ass update. So remember how I told you I had a package that was allegedly delivered, I think on Friday or Saturday, but the package claimed to have been in one of the parcel lockers that we have at my apartment complex. I reached out to the company, never heard back. All they said was somebody would get in touch with me. Didn't hear anything. And then at like 7 a.m. I get an email saying you have a parcel in the locker. So I'm curious as to whether or not this is in fact that package. It could possibly be my second Old Navy order, but seeing as how I haven't gotten a shipping confirmation from them, it has to be my makeup, right? It better be. Well, we'll find out at lunchtime. I'll keep y'all posted. Okay, bye. Hello, ow, motherfucker. That really hurt. Hello. It's 5:28 and I'm just now getting home good. I had to stop by the package store, which that's a separate story time, and I was dropping off my recycling. I'm very disturbed at the moment because hopefully you guys won't see this, but there is a black line that's going down the screen of my viewfinder right now. Is it on my camera? No. So somehow I managed to fuck up my screen. Perfect. I was thinking about getting a new camera for vlogging anyway, but yeah, hopefully, again, y'all can't see it, but I can see it, and it's a line that goes from the top all the way down on the whole screen. Fantastic. Anyway, so yes, we're just now getting home good despite getting off 30 minutes ago. So I had to come home. I went to the mailbox and I went to the package room because as you may or may not recall, I have one more order that's from my Black Friday shopping that is from Minted Cosmetics. It was allegedly delivered on either Friday or Saturday, but I did not get a notification, despite them saying that they left it in our parcel lockers, that it was in fact in the parcel lockers. So this morning, I think I said on camera that I got an email saying, congratulations, you have a package or something. So I'm thinking it's my Minted order. It was not my Minted order. It was something totally that I wasn't expecting. So now I have to call the company and be like, hey, my package was allegedly delivered, but I don't see whatever. So I'm just gonna have to call the company. Damn, that's a lot of hair. I'm a mess. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all, I got some Amazon orders today as well, so we're gonna do an unboxing. My Amazon orders, I get sent to my job, so that way there's no confusion. The people at my apartment complex went ahead and told me when I moved in, they were like, yeah, if you order stuff from Amazon, you may get it. It may be at your door, maybe in the locker. They were like, we have a lot of issues with Amazon. I was like, oh, fantastic. So at that moment, I decided that I was going to have those orders sent to the crib or sent to the job. Okay, so we're gonna do an unboxing real quick. I'm gonna call this company, figure out what's going on with my package. Oh, I'm out of breath because I just got home and I'm out of shape. We already know this. Okay, let me figure out how we're gonna do this. So stand by. Okay, so the package that arrived that I thought was my meant to order and was not, was actually from Influencer or Influenster. I don't really know how to describe what Influenster is. INFLUENSTER. All I know is I fill out surveys and then they send me free stuff to, or complimentary, free, whatever, to review. Sometimes you have to review it on Sephora, sometimes you have to review it on the actual company site. It just all depends on the rules, and there are different rules for each, what's the word I'm looking for? Different rules for each product. And, ooh, okay, so this, ooh, okay, so this, they call them Vox boxes, VOX box. So this box, I filled out a survey for, and they let me know that I was gonna get the Norvina Mini Pro Palette Volume 2. So whatever questions they asked, my answers were enough for them to be like, yay, you get a Vox box. So I just, cause I need another palette, but, oh, whoa, these are, oh, it matches my outfit. I could have, see, but these shades, they're pretty, and I tend to like Anastasia palettes, but these colors are a little outside of my comfort zone. But it's cool. And then they also sent me some lashes. I don't know why I said it like it was a question mark. They're a little more wispy than what I would normally wear, but, and then what is this? Eye primer for the eyeshadow. Geez. So at some point I'm gonna have to review those things. Like I said, it'll more than likely either be on Sephora's website or Anastasia's website. Man, I really wish, because it matches my outfit perfectly. I could have coordinated. You gotta coordinate. Gerard, did you know on the inside was special mushrooms? Yes! I love references. Okay, so the rest of the stuff is from Amazon. This is just a trimmer with a bunch of different pieces and attachments that I won't need. The hell is this? Oh, haha, I was like, I've already mentioned these things. I'm so reckless with this knife. Okay, mate, I was getting ready to be super disappointed in the length, but it's coiled up, as you can see. This is just for my car because my current aux cord is short, so hopefully this one's longer. So I need to put this in my purse. And this, I'm excited and nervous about these. So we'll see. And why is this box so massive? I just went to the recycling and now I'm gonna have to go back. Oh, whoa. Whoa, is it really this big? It's too easy. This thing is huge. Again, too easy. I'm not. Wow. Wow. Okay. So this is a major, I don't know if this will fit. Still too easy. I'm not gonna give in to that. Okay, so I feel like I should explain this. So the bulbs that I currently use, I believe these are 45 watts. So obviously I have one on here. This is the other one. Okay, I'm trying to turn you so I don't blind you. See how reasonably sized that is? So again, I think those are 45 watt bulbs. And I was watching somebody on YouTube, I think it was Shameless Maya, and she was talking about lighting and blah, blah, blah. And she was talking about an 85 watt bulb. So all I thought was it was going to be a bulb just like that, maybe a little bigger, but brighter. And that's what they sent me. I was so confused as to why the bulb was so big, or the box was so big. So it's 120 volts, 85 watts. I don't even, I mean, it has to fit in the thing, because this is the universal side. Like, I'm scared. I'm scared to, everything I'm saying right now is a ginormous, that's what she said. I'm scared to put it in the thing because of how big it is. Why am I so childish? Why? Why did you make me like this, Jesus? But no, I'm legit concerned. Okay, y'all, we're gonna do this together. Let's see, where should I position you? I'll put you here and tilt you up. Ignore my janky setup. Oh, knocking over everything. Okay. I'm scared to turn it on and then it's gonna like pop and then, oh my gosh. Okay, yes, so as I'm unscrewing this, we're gonna do a comparison. What the fuck? Okay, so this is 120 volts. I'm sorry, this is 45 watt. I'm not sure what I said before. And this is 120 volts, 85 watts. Jesus, let us pray. Oh my gosh. She bright. She real bright. Okay, let's turn the other one off. Okay. I was scared because of how big it was. Be an adult for once in your life. But nah, for real, the size is terrifying. But it seems to be fine. I just wasn't prepared for it to be that big. I'm gonna stop talking now because I can't with myself. It's like, why are you so childish? Be an adult. You're a grown up. Okay, so that just happened. I'm gonna call this company, see if they can help me track down this fucking package and post this palette that I just got on Instagram. And then it's gonna be time for Family Guy. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure it's already time for Family Guy. That's a habit or a ritual of mine that makes Mondays enjoyable. Because Mondays I tend to hate just because A, it's Monday, I'm like Garfield, and B, they're just a busy day for me at work. It did help the day go by fast. So my point is, Family Guy is something for me to look forward to.
Ooh, so
So, it's on. Okay. So this may or may not be the end of the vlog. We'll see. If it is, thank you for watching. If it's not, then I'll be back.
maybe it's awful. Chris has
The line is still on my screen, by the way, but it stopped. It starts here now and goes all the way down. No idea what's going on. I am on hold for the parcel pending company that hopefully will be able to help me with my package. I've been on hold for 12 minutes and 46 seconds. I just wanted to come over here really quick. I know I said I may be back, and here I am. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to, great, there's something flying around in here. Quick shout out to Muriel, Ray, and Fallon for your kind words on my last vlog. It's good to know I'm not the only person out there who feels, it's good to know I'm not alone, basically, and I appreciate y'all taking time to comment on my videos. It helps to feel supported. It really does. Okay. So we're going to continue to hold. Again, I just want to say thank you to you three. I greatly appreciate you. I'm going to figure out what the fuck's flying around in my apartment. I'm going to continue to hold. Hopefully they'll be able to help me track this package.
Thank you for your patience. To receive a callback instead of continuing to wait on hold, please press 2. You will keep your place in line, and one of our representatives will reach out as soon as...
I don't trust that. I don't trust that. Press 2 and we'll call you back. No. Because I filled out a form on Saturday and they said somebody was going to get right back with me. And it's Monday and crickets. So no, I'm going to hold and listen to this god-awful music. All right. Bye. I was on hold for 26 minutes. Finally got through to someone. He and I were talking. Oh, thank God he's called me back. Because I accidentally hung up on the fucking phone call after holding for 20 minutes. Hello?
Hi, is this Shamira?
It is. I'm so sorry. I was trying to hit a different button and I ended up hanging up on you.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you for calling back.
Yeah, no worries. Because I know I was making a call back and I didn't want you to have to call in all over again.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you. Can I try the audit first?
Okay.
Just to, yeah, just to see.
Just a quick question.
Mhm.
I know it's a bit obvious, but have you checked the regular mailbox to see if it was...
I did. I did that today just to be on the safe side and nothing.
And you have checked the front office and the leasing office to see if they're holding it?
Yeah, they don't accept packages, they say. They always send people to the lockers or to the door, and there was nothing at my door either. Okay, I kind of told a fib. He was like, so have you checked with the leasing office? And to be honest, I didn't. However, the lockers are fixed and the package is listed as being delivered in the locker, which is why I was on the phone with them. But I will call the leasing office. Whoa. I will call I'm just still trying to get used to this bright ass light. I will call the leasing office tomorrow just to double check. But they're basically going to have to do an audit, and I guess they're going to have to contact the post office and go into this whole thing. And I hopefully should know something in 3 days. But yeah, we shall see. So with that, it's 6:15 now. I do think I'm going to go ahead and wrap today up. I'm going to eat, and I need to work on my plan because I didn't do as much work as I wanted to yesterday on my plan. So that's going to be the evening's objective. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I hope y'all are having a good evening, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.